Hi guys! In this video, I will talk about how to set your XLogin. Firstly, please open our website. Here are some contents. Click Free Trial. Register an account with your email. Then Submit. Click Download to download the XLogin client in your computer. You can contact us in these ways: email, Skype, Telegram. Open XLogin client. Input your email, password, log in. On XLogin main page, click Help and Support. You can find out our contacts and website. Click Video Demo to watch demo video. Click My Account to view your account information. Purchased plan. Expiration date. Password change, and so on. If you need to use API and browser automation functions, you need to open this and save. Click Preferences. You can set profile common information according to your needs or habits, such as user agent, resolution, and so on. When you enable Expand All Groups Profile List function and save, all the new profiles will adapt this page's setting. You can change the settings when you edit the profile. Click Other Settings. Enable this function and save. The software will randomly speed to simulate as human typing. You can choose to open this or not according to your needs. To set a new group, click Group List. Click Add New Group. Choose one icon. Input the group name. Then save. Here is a new group. Select this group. Then click Create a new profile. Input the profile display name. Click Get Random Profile. It will randomly configure for you. Or click the triangle to choose the system you want. Click the triangle of random lock. Select the city you want to lock. For example, I set American English. Then, lock the language. Click Get Random Profile. The language on change. You can choose to lock the settings according to your needs. XLogin supports many systems, like Windows, Mac OS, and so on. Set a proxy server here. Turn on this button. We support these types. I take SOX 5 as an example. Copy the codes. Click Paste Proxy Info. Click Test Proxy. It's OK. Save. Click Run to get your non-IP. For user agent, click Firefox or Chrome to get a random user agent. Select the resolution according to your needs. Please keep the language of the language, accept language, time zone based on IP, and your proxy server IP consistent. No need to modify platform, product, app name. Select 2, 4, 8, or 16 for hardware concurrency. Simulate the mobile browsers. Default settings for Windows system. Enable media devices protection. Input the number 122, tick this. You should configure the corresponding number of files according to the corresponding number. You may click random to get a random field. After set it, click Save. Home page. Input the website address you want to open. Enter the number of profiles that you want to create. Tick the random user agent to create profiles in batch. I only demonstrate how to set up one profile. Other configurations. These are default settings. For leak-proof setting, open it. You can change the information by yourself, or click Run to fill in automatically. Local cache and synchronization settings are mutually exclusive. Open one setting, close the other one. If you need to enable it, click Restore Default. Set it like this. Enable Field Geolocation function. Enable Set Speech Services API. Enable SSL fingerprint. Click Chrome SSL. It will be same as Chrome SSL fingerprint. Enable other protection. Then click Save Profile. Set up this profile successfully. Launch it. Input another website, Facebook. Here are more functions. You can import, export cookies on XLogin, share profile to other accounts, transfer profile ownership, delete profile, and so on. Please visit our website to see more tutorials. Thanks for your watching.